Price of used vehicles falling. Data from yesterday's Consumer Price Index showing there was a nearly 9% drop of used cars and trucks in the past year, and it does follow record increases in 2021. It also comes as Tesla is cutting the prices of its vehicles both in the U.S. and Europe. And joining me now is Lauren Fix, founder of the automotive news website Car Coach Reports. Lauren, thanks so much for coming on the show. And so, given what we see here across the market, prices coming down, do you think it is a good time for consumers perhaps to take a look at buying a new car?
Well, not just yet. You have to look at the interest rates, and that is a huge factor. You're looking at interest rates that have gone between 4.25 to 4.5%. And now you're looking at the Fed looking about raising rates to 5%. What that means to the consumer is going to be certainly a higher interest rate for financing or even leasing, because all those rates start to add up. And when you look at that, even though used car prices have dropped, unless you're doing some sort of cash deal, it's probably not a good idea to purchase a car now, but to wait, because also we have a supply shortage, even though prices have dropped.
So, and knowing obviously that even though prices are down, those loans play a really big part of the overall affordability, Lauren, which I think you highlight well there. What is a good time, perhaps a good window that might open up that would be more attractive for prospective buyers?
I would wait about 6 months. I don't think we're going to really see the inventory coming back, so you can pick your choice of what you want in a used car lot until 2025. And why is that? Is during COVID, people couldn't get cars, so they bought their vehicles off the lease because used car prices went high. So when they did that, and that's been a higher rate of people purchasing their vehicle, they had low mileage, the vehicles have huge value, and since they bought those cars, those vehicles won't get traded in until down the road. And any of the leased vehicles that are purchased today, you'll see people trading them in 3 years, which brings us to 2025. And that's from the 2022 lease period.
What do you think is a budget that someone should map out, Lauren, if they are in the market to buy a new car? Obviously, it's the cost of the car, price is down a little bit, it's the interest rate, it's insurance, registration. There are a whole lot of factors, right, that actually go into that final sticker price.
Yeah, and I think people don't think about that. A lot of people are thinking, well, I'll just go buy an electric car. I can get a good deal. You know, Tesla's lowered their rates, or I can get a good deal on a Chevy Bolt or a Nissan Leaf. But you have to also check those insurance rates, because they're typically about 18 to 45% higher than that of a gasoline-powered vehicle. So that's part of the cost of owning it, the charging station, getting electricity, whether you park the vehicle outside and you have to go to a charging station, or you can put one in your garage. Again, a certified electrician should always be installing that properly. And if you're thinking, well, maybe I'll find something, a happy medium, like a Toyota Prius, something along those lines, that would make a lot of sense. You could buy one used, maybe with higher mileage. But again, you have to figure out your depreciation. And that's things that people don't think about. The cost of the gasoline, which currently is low, but I expect it to go higher because all those tax holidays that we had for gas taxes are going away.
I'm told we're tight on time. I wish we had more time. Lauren Fix, founder of Car Coach Reports. Lauren, thank you.